Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between Ahrefs and Similarweb. So to get started with the in-depth review and H2A comparison, to help you decide which of these SEO tools will be a better option for you. So let's get started. Ahrefs in 2025 remained one of the most trusted names in SEO. It offers powerful keyword research, a massive backlink index, a detailed site audit, and competitor analysis, all designed to help you improve ranking and grow organic traffic. Agencies and content teams love Ahrefs because of its depth of data and reliable metrics like domain rating and constant updates that keeps it at the cutting edge of SEO strategy. Similarweb, on the other hand, is built purely for SEO. It's a market intelligence and traffic platform. It shines when you want to see where competitors get their traffic, what channel perform best, and how audience behave across different sites. While it improves some keyword insight, its true strength is big picture competitive research rather than hand-on optimization. In 2025, choose Ahrefs if you want a dedicated data-rich SEO toolkit for growing search visibility, but go with Similarweb if you need high-level market and traffic insight to build your overall intelligence strategy. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the thumbs notification button and subscribe for more.